Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to easily find all solutions to this trigonometric equation, and then we'll find solutions in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. We're going to solve the equation 5 sine theta cosine theta minus 4 sine theta is equal to 0. Our first step is that we're going to factor out the common trigonometric expression. We notice in this equation that each term has a sine theta, so we can factor that out. We pull out sine theta, and we're left with 5 cosine theta minus 4 is equal to 0. We set both expressions equal to 0. We'll now reduce each equation to just sine theta, cosine theta, or tangent theta is equal to a constant. Our first equation is already done, so we'll just recopy that. We have sine theta is equal to 0. And for our second equation, we need to solve for cosine theta. So we'll pull the 4 to the right-hand side. This gives us 5 cosine theta is equal to 4. And then cosine theta is equal to 4/5. Our solution for our first equation is theta is equal to arc sine of 0. And our solution to our second equation is theta is equal to arc cosine of 4/5. For theta is equal to arc sine 0, our theta is going to be a coordinate point. In our second equation, because theta is positive, theta is going to be located in quadrants 1 and 4 because that's where cosine is positive. We'll now plot the value of sine theta and cosine theta on our unit circle. In our diagram on our left, we're going to plot where sine theta is equal to 0. Sine theta is equal to our y value, and that's going to be 0 at this point and at this point. This gives us that theta is going to be 0 plus 2n pi, and then theta will be pi plus 2n pi. Between 0 and up to 2 pi, this gives us values of 0 and pi. And we remind ourselves that n is 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. Let's come back now and solve our second equation. Theta is located in quadrants 1 and quadrant 4, and is equal to arc cosine of 4/5. So let's write down that theta in our first quadrant is equal to theta sub r, and it's the arc cosine of 4/5. When we throw that in our calculator in radian mode, we get a value of 0.6435. Our solution theta that's in our fourth quadrant is going to be 2 pi minus theta sub r. And when you put that in the calculator, you end up with a value of 5.6397. We can summarize our solution here. Theta is equal to 0.6435 plus 2n pi, and theta is equal to 5.6397 plus 2n pi. The values from 0 up to 2 pi are then 0.6435 and 5.6397.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.